Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to PEIPEI, the Chinese Pepe update, and let's talk about what current move is happening with PEIPEI. We are on a technical journey to come down to 45.24. I've talked about this parallel channel here before, and this parallel channel is what has caused the problem where you dropped to the downside, you made the retest, failed the retest here, and then ever since you have been down. And now you're trading at 81.53 and a massive opportunity for you guys again to buy at 45.60. So what is going to happen next? Well, let's talk about it. Number one is I think there's a little bit of bullish divergence boiling in for PEIPEI here. So if I bring in the RSI, we kind of have the RSI trying to move up a little bit. But that's all. That's the only good thing that is going on right now. But unfortunately, there is one problem that still exists, and I'm going to talk about it very quickly. And in order to make it clear, we're going to dive into the 15 minutes time frame, and let's check the 15 minutes time frame. So I'm going to go in here, and I want to take a trend line and show you what the problem is. So take the trend line here and go back to 20 December, which is nearly 26 days ago. And 26 days ago you were making this trend line, and this is the trend line that I want you to keep your eyes focused on. So number one, we started off with a little bit of a touches in this zone where you had one touch, a move up, you had another touch here, and then you started moving to the upside again. Now this trend line has been a problem. It has been a massive problem because you had another touch here, and what you did is you went down and came back up for the retest and got rejected. So rejection number one, couple of rejection here, and then you went down and now you're coming back up again and you got rejected exactly right at the same place. Okay, this is so that's not good. That is definitely not good. Your prices are being rejected. Your prices is rejected to go to the upside. Now let's say for the sake of the best scenario, that's the worst scenario right now, that you just get rejected from here and then go to the downside. I will say if PEIPEI kind of makes it up to 9,030, then we could be looking at some sort of this double bottom, a little bit of double bottom on the 15 minutes time frame. And then from here, we could actually see a price move all the way up to maybe, 11,129. That's where you could actually push a little bit higher, if it makes sense for this double bottom to play out, of course. But if you get rejected, then it's just, the journey all the way again down to 4,000, because that is in play, unfortunately. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love. Peace.